Hey kids, have you seen the shapes rolling by? As I ride along the country, the shapes go a-rolling by. Little squares and triangles and circles go rolling by. They love to run around the countryside and look so very colorful. They love to hop and skip and jump and sing and have a time so wonderful. As I ride along the country, the shapes go a-rolling by. Little ovals and rectangles and diamonds go rolling by. They love to run around the countryside and look so very colorful. They love to hop and skip and jump and sing and have a time so wonderful. As I ride along the country, the shapes go a-rolling by. Little hearts and triangles and stars go a-rolling by. They love to run around the countryside and look so very colorful. They love to hop and skip and jump and sing and have a time so wonderful. Wasn't that fun? See you next time with Bob the Train! Hello, I'm Bob the Train! Do you want to go on a space adventure? Yes! Let's go on a planet's ride where Bob will be your guide. There will be fun and games aboard the space train. Let's go on a planet's ride where Bob will be your guide. There will be fun and games aboard the space train.
Yes!
Can you see Mercury? It's so close to the sun.
Will it be hot in there? We don't want to burn.
Oh no, you're safe with me. We will not get too close. Sit here and get a tan
From our head to our toes.
Look, there is Venus there, all covered in clouds. Is anyone inside?
Let's give them a shout.
Hello, is there anyone in there?
It's shaped just like the Earth, but no one lives in there. Come, let's go on our way along the planet's ride. What's that pretty blue thing?
That's our Earth we know.
Yes, those are seas we see, and the lands and snow. We can live in there. It's got the air we breathe. It's not too hot in there, and not too cold indeed. Can you guess what's ahead?
It's the red planet.
Let's take a closer look. It's beautiful, I bet. It is the fourth planet. It comes right after ours. Do you know what it's called?
Its name is Mars.
We've come to Jupiter. You can see it's very large, the largest of them all, big as 1,000 Earths. It's got a big red spot and it's got many moons. Let's move on our trip, shall we?
Singing the planet's tune.
Let's go on a planet's ride where Bob will be your guide. There will be fun and games aboard the space train. That looks so beautiful. It's got a ring so round. Saturn is its name.
Let's take a ride around.
Oh, there are many rings, each made of crystal ice.
I wish I could live here. Wouldn't that be nice?
In front is Uranus. It's got a green-blue glow
Why can't we see inside?
because of all the gas.
Hello, what are you hiding inside?
Neptune is right ahead. It looks a pretty blue. It's called an ice giant. It's got some water too. You saw the planets all, but there are many more things to see out here. Next time we'll see them all. Let's go on a planet's ride where Bob will be your guide. There will be fun and games aboard the space train. Hi, I'm Bob. Come, let us listen to the animal sounds. Can you hear the duck go quack, quack, quack? Listen to the duck go quack, quack, quack. Can you hear the hen go cluck, cluck, cluck? Listen to the hen go cluck, cluck, cluck. Can you hear the horse go neigh, neigh, neigh? Listen to the horse go neigh, neigh, neigh. Can you hear the cow go moo, moo, moo? Listen to the cow go moo, moo, moo. Can you hear the pig go oink, oink, oink? Listen to the pig go oink, oink, oink. Can you hear the sheep go ba, ba, ba? Listen to the sheep go ba, ba, ba. Can you hear the dog go woof, woof, woof? Listen to the dog go woof, woof, woof. Can you hear the cat go meow, meow, meow? Listen to the cat go meow, meow, meow. Can you hear the monkeys go chatter, chatter, chatter? Listen to the monkeys go chatter, chatter, chatter. Can you hear the lion go roar, roar, roar? Listen to the lion go roar, roar, roar. Can you hear the owl go hoot, hoot, hoot? Listen to the owl go hoot, hoot, hoot. Can you hear the frog go ribbit, ribbit, ribbit? Listen to the frog go ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Can you hear the snake go hiss, hiss, hiss? Listen to the snake go hiss, hiss, hiss. Can you hear the flies go buzz, buzz, buzz? Listen to the flies go buzz, buzz, buzz. Can you hear the donkey go hee haw haw? Listen to the donkey go hee haw haw. Can you hear the goose go gobble, gobble, gobble? Listen to the goose go gobble, gobble, gobble. enjoy that? Yes! You can come back anytime!